Express TMS Vehicle Maintenance and Management. It's a fact. Keeping your fleet maintained reduces downtime, lowers costs, and keeps your trucks on the road. The Express TMS Maintenance System is designed for both companies performing vehicle maintenance in-house by providing a more efficient way of managing shop personnel, service activities, and inventories, as well as companies that outsource their vehicle maintenance and simply want a more accurate method of maintaining service documentation for cost control and regulatory purposes. Specific areas of functionality within the Express TMS Maintenance module include truck and trailer maintenance services, service shop activities management, parts and inventory control, and maintenance reports. Truck and trailer maintenance services. The Express TMS Truck and Trailer Services feature allows for creating and tracking of custom service schedules for every vehicle in your fleet. This screen displays a listing of your active equipment and any services which are scheduled but yet to be performed. View existing scheduled services and create new services. Select the appropriate service code, then enter the mileage and date information. This will assist not only in scheduling future services, but also act as flags. These services interact with the Express TMS Dispatch module, informing dispatchers of upcoming services, or even preventing dispatches when vehicle services are past due. The screen can be toggled to view completed services for the selected equipment, and double-click on a truck or trailer record for more detailed information. Use additional features to print scheduled services for the selected equipment, and mark equipment as down for service. As maintenance and dispatch interact, marking equipment as down for service will make the equipment unavailable for dispatching on loads. Work orders. The Express TMS Work Orders feature is a central location for maintaining and managing shop service activities. Work orders are used to document truck and trailer services performed for both companies that perform maintenance in-house and for those who outsource to repair facilities. Use work orders to manage record keeping by documenting detailed histories of work performed by repair shops, service planning, through detailed service and maintenance instructions to repair facilities, and shop management for companies performing in-house service and maintenance. Work orders can provide specific instructions to maintenance personnel, track work in progress, parts and labor costs, and update parts inventory levels. This screen displays open work orders and can be filtered to display either trucks or trailers as well as completed work order histories. Information displayed includes service dates, total cost of work orders, and the name of the individual or facility performing the service. Work orders function in a tiered structure to record a group of services completed on a single truck or trailer at any one time. Each work order can contain any number of services, and each service can contain any number of part and labor items needed to complete the service. As parts and labor are added to service orders, the total cost will calculate with each new item. And as service orders are added to work orders, the total work order cost will recalculate with each new service. Once individual services have been completed, mark a work order as complete, and Express will update any scheduled services that were performed and adjust the next scheduled service. Additional features of the work order include importing of memorized work orders for routine services, enabling faster and easier work order creation, and creating parts purchase orders, including the parts contained in the work order, without any additional data entry. Parts and inventory control. Express TMS provides inventory management capabilities to continuously track inventory quantities and valuations. Parts inventory quantities are managed through system integration. Parts inventory to work orders. Parts are considered used when added to services on work orders. Work orders to the purchase order system. Purchase orders are created through work orders to replenish used parts. And the purchase order system to parts inventory. Parts are added back into inventory by way of receiving parts through purchase orders. The parts inventory screen lists all of the parts in your database. Displayed information includes parts numbers, costs, and quantities on hand, on order, and recommended to reorder. Individual part records include additional details such as each instance of part usage or receipt and the related service order or purchase order number. Receiving parts. With Express TMS, parts can be received directly from the parts inventory screen. As inventory is integrated with the purchase order system, your shop management receives inventory into the system directly, eliminating the need to navigate to accounting and searching for individual purchase orders. Simply select the vendor with whom you have parts on order and click. Express will automatically receive the parts into inventory, update your stock levels, and update the purchase order. Again, all without any crossover into accounting. Maintenance reports. Express TMS offers a variety of maintenance reports for both equipment services and parts inventory. View upcoming service activities. Run a complete service history for a single vehicle or your entire fleet. Or view a comprehensive breakdown of all parts used, by date, by vehicle. The Express TMS Maintenance System. Managing your fleet, reducing your downtime, and keeping your trucks where they belong, on the road. To see more of what Express can do for you, contact us for a demonstration. Thanks for watching.